control centers called Johnson Space Center in the city of Houston in the state of Texas. This is named after the late US President Lyndon B. Johnson. It consists of a complex of 100 buildings in the Clear Lake area of Houston, which has a nickname Space City. This center is responsible for training astronauts from both the US and its international partners. Today, JSC is one of the 10 major NASA field centers. This space center controls many of the premium space projects like the Gemini, the Apollo, the Skylab, Space Shuttle, the ISS, etc. The flight control function for all these NASA human space flight projects was provided by the Christopher C. Kraft Jr. Mission Control Center housed here. What exactly is that?
So this is sort of an amalgamation of what the International Space Station looks like. It has sort of everything that would be in the International Space Station, a little bit of everything from their food area to their exercise area to their sleeping quarters to where they use the bathroom even.
The typical model of ISS, the International Space Station. Hey, it seems like I'm traveling in the space station. Well, bye-bye. Martian life. Look, I've got a map which can lead me.
But you made a boss you heat, right?
This is Mars maps. Do you want to know where the largest volcano in the solar system is? Olympus Mons. Look, I press this button and the light blinks over there. Viking We are getting into Apollo Mission Control Center, which is a National Historic Landmark at Johnson Space Center. The heroes of Apollo 11 project: Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins.
Left that row. To the space station, like
This is the actual mission control room used for Apollo 11 project. It created history by putting mankind on the moon. Do you know something? It was preserved for so many years together for display.
Now, and would like to say a few words to you, Robert. That would be an honor. Go ahead, Mr. President. This is Houston.
I think your personal dedication and professionalism displayed here in mission control have contributed very substantially to the posture. As a personal expression of our gratitude for your help, your cooperation and tolerance.
More lunar missions from this room, which contributed to the designation of this building as a National Historic Landmark. We thank you for visiting today.
ARTEMIS is NASA's current moon program. It's going to break the barriers this time. people to the moon for a longer period of time. Look.
But that's going to be miles wide. That's going to be 500. That's real.
As part of preparation to send astronauts to the south pole of the moon by ARTEMIS project, they provide moonwalk training by simulating the conditions at South Pole. Before humans land at the moon's south pole through ARTEMIS project, a robot will. That robot is an intuitive machine called Nova Sea Lander. This could be the first spacecraft to land in the south pole of the moon. After the first few successful ARTEMIS missions, NASA and its partners will build something called Gateway. It will be the first space station to orbit around the moon, as how the ISS orbits around the Earth today. There's an Ask Them Anything counter over here. NASA scientists, mission controllers, and astronauts will answer our questions about ARTEMIS and going back to the moon. Space is full of cosmic radiation. So, how do astronauts protect themselves? And what kind of material do they use to protect themselves? This explains that. I first place it on cardboard. This is blue, so it's not the most effective, somewhere in the middle. Now, let's move to lead. It is red, least effective. Now, let's move on to HDPE plastic. It is showing somewhere very near the most effective. And we move on to gold. Look, gold is somewhere near the least effective. And you'll be surprised. When you go to water, it's showing the most effective. Do you know why? Because hydrogen is more effective against cosmic rays. And finally, we move on to aluminium. And it's showing here, somewhere in the middle of it. And creating enough thrust to launch this water bottle as a rocket. Just wait for 2 minutes and it will launch. Oh, whoa, oh, look at the power here. Now let me do some more.
Is the bottle ready to be launched, Akshaj?
No, not yet.
Not
Wait
yet?
6 seconds. I need to do it. I'm going to press this button now. Uh-oh.
It didn't even reach the ISS, Akshaj. Forget about Mars.
A spacecraft is a general name for a vehicle that can be launched into space. The space shuttles are a particular type of NASA spacecraft, which is the world's first reusable spacecraft. The shuttle launches like a rocket, orbits like a spacecraft, and lands back on Earth like an airplane. Wow! Discovery, Atlantis, and Endeavour are examples of NASA shuttles that are currently in operation. The space shuttle was first launched in 1984 and flew a total of 13 times to the International Space Station. And this discovery is on public display at the Smithsonian Institution's National Air and Space Museum in Virginia. Hey, look! Isn't this the same bottle that I got at the curio shop?
Yes, Akshaj.
Hey, look! It opens. And here's the engine. I long to get into that. It gives me a feeling of being in a spacecraft. Oh, here we go!
Akshaj, are you thrilled to get into the spacecraft?
Yeah.
Okay, we're Tony.
Here they go. We are showing successful deployment.
Passing through the solar system, we see the perpetually active storm on Jupiter. The Earth could easily fit inside of it.
Approaching Enceladus.
Volcanic ice, ejected from one of Saturn's moons, helps sustain its awe-inspiring rings.
Prepare for near light speed travel as we plunge into the heart of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Approaching Alpha Centauri.
This is a nebula, a kind of nursery where stars are born. Enormous gravitational forces condense vast quantities of hydrogen gas into...
There's a NASA tram tour over here. This tour takes visitors in an open-air shuttle around the center.
Akshaj, what's this gallery all about?
Space Center Houston recognizes every crewed NASA space flight with portraits and crew photos in this gallery. Photos feature the historic Mercury, Gemini projects and Apollo missions, Skylab, space shuttles, International Space Station, etc.
That's nice.
Look how many
Oh
photos are here.
my. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Do you aspire to get featured over here?
We can trace whatever you want here. Look, I'm going to trace Apollo 11. A souvenir shop. Hey, what's this? Hey look, space stationery. This is an eraser, this is a pen, these are two pencils. And hey look, space shuttle. You can open it like this. And this is a US Air Force jet. Hey, wait a second. I want to show you something. Oh, look. Different types of rock samples. Look. Well, I'll take this one. And I'll take this one. Oh, look. Pebbles. I'll take this one. And then, oh, I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Rocket and space shuttle keychains. There's an amazing food lab over here. It serves as a restaurant for the visitors.